Welcome to All RC Action. Today we're going to be reviewing a anniversary gift from my wife. This is the new Montblanc Enzo Ferrari 2025 edition. Comes in a nice little box, sleeve. Little booklet. And then it comes in another little sleeve. And then another one. It's a new color for 2025. See the end there. You cannot describe passion, you can only live it. This is slogan. It's a roller ball. Got a signature there. Got some nice weight to it. Thank my wife for this lovely gift. Again, this is the Enzo Ferrari Montblanc 2025. Just came out February 1st. Special edition, limited to the United States. They are already sold out in the US, at least in my area. Very good. She did great. Thanks for watching.